place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelley's Homestead Hideaway.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shelly's Homestead Hideaway. Today I am coming to you with mail call. I have some items that I have received over the past, I'm going to say it's been at least a month now since I received the first item that I am going to share with you all. And I'm super excited about it. It is from David Corey with Crop, aka Cropper. So thank you so much, David, because I don't remember which live stream we were on. May have been on the Garden Girls Chat and Chew, actually, where Eddos was mentioned. And I was like, what are Eddos? I want some Eddos. And so David was like, I got you. So true to his word, he sent me a box full of Eddos that I actually paid for the shipping. So y'all know this got some weight to it. So I did pay for the shipping and extra. Oh yeah, these are actually rooting nicely. I have previously opened them up. There's one item in here, this is the first thing I'm gonna pull out, that I am not sure what it is. I feel like it is some sort of flower bulb. So David, let me know what this is. I'm going to be planting it, but I need to know what it is. Please and thank you. Okay, so that is the one extra thing that is in there. So I'm going to sit that here and I'm going to let you guys see the Eddos. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. My girl Cece is always correcting me on how I say it. But here is an Eddo. You can see, oh, y'all see my tomato? She's just hanging out with your girl today. So let me tell you, this is Positive Tomato, okay? And she says, I may be a tiny tomato, but I believe in you. Go do your thing, okay? So my veggies are cheering me on, so she's here to help out today. So, me and that self. All right. This is the box full of Eddos that I received. Some of them have already started rooting, but I plan to eat these as well because I've never tried them. So as you can see, quite a few of them, even since I first opened the box, have started to root. The Eddos is like a potato, but I believe it's softer, and they actually grow up to look like a elephant ear. The plant does on top. I did some research on this and now I've forgotten. Do I have it in my notes? Hold on. I feel like the leaves are not edible. Okay. I did not write down that part, but Eddos looks like elephant ears is what I have written down. The maturity time is 6 to 8 months from planting. In zone 7, which I am in, 7B to be exact, they can be planted in the fall and they will grow in the spring, or plant them in the spring. So I plan to plant these in the spring, but before then, I'm going to eat some of them. Like this one has not, actually it is starting to sprout some. I'm going to try to eat as many of these as I can. got a little sidetracked from my note because I'm just amazed at how much they have rooted since I first received the box, which I believe, like I said, it's been about a month ago that I first received these. So thank you, David. I'm looking forward to trying this. And so let me go back to my note. I've already shared that they look like elephant ears, the plant. So I'm wondering and trying to figure out exactly where I'm going to plant this, whether it's going to be in the backyard or the front yard. And they also, so they love water and they're easy to plant apparently. It is a versatile and nutritious roots, which is rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They promote overall health. So once again, thank you, David, for the Edos and this plant here that I'm not sure of. All right. So that's the first item in the mail call. We're going to sit that over here. Next up, I have a package from Good Subscriber. I'm going to do that package last. I'm actually doing them in the order that I actually received them. So this next package is from Shinelle. So thank you, Shinelle. I have not opened this at all. So I'm going to open this now. And let's see what we have in here. This was, I'm not sure if this was a part of Seedmas or it was just Shinelle being generous to me. Because yeah. I think Shinelle just decided to send me some. So thank you so much, Shinelle. Let's see what we have. All right. So first and foremost, we have some seeds called Red Reuben. Red Reuben. Common garden sage. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love growing chives. And chives, if you've never grown them, at least in my garden, they are perennial. They come back every year. So I plan to have more planted in various locations in my garden this year. Chives. I also have some Genovese basil. And y'all already know your girl loves basil. I absolutely love basil. And then I also have Santo cilantro from Shinelle. Red Reuben. Okay, I'm gonna look this up, y'all. Bear with me because I'm not sure what it is. Let's see what this is. Red Reuben. It would help if I spell red correctly. Red Reuben. Rubin. Rubin. These phones be messing with us. Seeds. Ah, okay. So the red Reuben is basil as well. It is purplish in color. Let me show you guys. That is the red Reuben, and it is a purplish basil. So yummy, yummy, yummy. I will absolutely be growing this. So stay tuned. Thank you, Shinelle. And last and certainly not least is my girl, fellow Garden Girl Chat and Chew host, Cece from Cece's Texas Garden. So let me see what Cece has sent me. Y'all, I need something to drink. I got a little sparkling water here. I'm feeling a little parched. If you like sparkling water, check out this brand. I purchased it from Costco. Guess this is a little commercial break, although there's no affiliation or nothing like that. I'm just sharing with you something that I like because I prefer plain water um, as opposed to sparkling water. But I tried this and I really, really liked it. And I bought a case. My husband likes it. And so we have purchased more since the first case. It comes with a variety of flavors in it. And this one is pomelo zest, which is a lime. That's good. That's very good. So yeah, non-sponsored, no affiliation. Check it out if you are so inclined. Okay, let's see what Miss Cece has sent. Oh, woo-hoo. Okay, wait, is it okay? This is two different things, I think. Yes, it is. Okay, it's tape. Am I lying? No, I think this is Roselle. Um, dried Roselle, and I'm gonna have to double check with her, but I think that's what this is. And then there's some blue butterfly pea seeds. Let me give you guys a close look at that. Blue butterfly pea. So I look forward to growing this. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this stuff in the garden this year, y'all, but I'm gonna figure it out, okay? Y'all gonna help me and I'm going to figure it out. So stay tuned for future videos. Again, thank you, David. Thank you, Shinelle. Thank you, Cece.